A day to honor our achievements, showcase our talent, and reflect the journey of TSC. It gives me immense pleasure to give you the glimpse of the best place to learn English, none other than the Shrine of English. So now I would like to invite two more Shriners on the stage.
Splendid afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Sahil.
And my name is Divyansh.
So let's begin this memorable evening with a round of applause for our teachers. So as we know that a building has four pillars. Similarly, our institute, the Shrine of English, also has its four pillars, and those pillars are its teachers. So I would like to introduce the first pillar of TSC with a beautiful shrine. छोटी सी बालकनी से जो सफर की थी शुरुआत, छोटी सी बालकनी से जो सफर की थी शुरुआत, ज्ञान के दीप जलाए, मिटाए ज्ञान की रात। समाज को सिखाने का जो बेड़ा उठाया, समाज को सिखाने का जो बेड़ा उठाया, हर छात्र के सपने को साकार बनाया।
With this beautiful line, I would like to introduce a person who started his teaching career from a small balcony of Pushp Vihar and now owning two wonderful institutes, one in Sangam Vihar and second in Madan Vihar. He is none other than our linchpin of the Shrine of English, Mr. Jeet sir.
So now I want to introduce about Pushu sir. Pushu sir का अंदाज है सबसे लाजवाब, प्यार भरी बातें जैसे मीठा गुलाब। ग्रामर और स्पेलिंग सब कुछ आसान बना देते हैं, इंग्लिश का डर तो अपनी मुस्कुराहट से ही मिटा देते हैं। So he is one of the incredible personalities of our institute. He has a plenty of knowledge and experience in English language. He knows how to convert beginner to a self-starter in classes, and with him, students can easily connect with him because of his friendly nature. And for many people, learning English is like a difficult task. But whenever Pushu sir teaches, it becomes a cakewalk for students. So now we will talk about third pillar of our institute.
So before moving on to the third pillar of TSC, I want to dedicate this person a beautiful child. आशीष सर की क्लास में मस्ती का है माहौल, आशीष सर की क्लास में मस्ती का है माहौल, इंग्लिश पढ़ने आए थे पर जोक्स बन गए गोल। ग्रामर की बातें जैसे हवा में उड़ जाए, ग्रामर की बातें जैसे हवा में उड़ जाए, सर के चुटकुले सुन के सब हंसते हंसते गिर जाए। 10 समझने चले थे पर मूड बन गया लाइट, 10 समझने चले थे पर मूड बन गया लाइट, लेक्चर से ज्यादा सर का ह्यूमर करे एक्साइट। बुक्स और रूल्स एक तरफ मजेदार है उनके स्टाइल, बुक्स और रूल्स एक तरफ मजेदार है उनके स्टाइल, आशीष सर की क्लास में इंग्लिश भी लगती है स्माइल।
Talking about Ashish sir. So students adore him not just because he makes the learning easy, but because he makes the learning as a joyride. He is a teacher who has a sense of humor with a good grammar skills.
So now I want to introduce our fourth pillar of our institute, Mr. Gagan sir. शब्दों का जादू, व्याकरण का सार, आपने सिखाया हमें हर एक प्रकार, बेसिक से एडवांस तक पहुंचाया हमें गुरुजी, आप ही हो शिक्षा के आधार। So in this class there is a mixture of fun and knowledge. Preposition find their right place, conjunction connect with us. If learning English is like climbing a mountain, so Gagan sir is like a friendly Sherpa who always helps students to reach their destination with a good grammar, with good confidence. So now we will talk about classes.
So now we are going to move on with the classes that are conducted by the Shrine of English. So now I want Mr. Sahil to talk about the presentation class.
So moving on towards presentation class. It's a class which is held in every alternative Mondays in the Shrine of English. It's a class where students hook up their topics, garnish them with visuals, and represent their ideas like a master chef of their knowledge. Not just this, student have to take one topic, whether it is political, economical, or on facts, and then they get the time to stretch for 6 to 7 minutes. Now, I would like to ask Divyansh, is there any class where we can have heated arguments?
Yes. In this class, we prepare one topic today and we just bring the heat tomorrow. In this class, there is endless counter-attacks. Occasionally, agreements also happens. In this class, only the sharpest minds survive. Welcome to debate class. There are numerous benefits of this class. First is critical thinking. Second, it helps to boost your confidence. Third, it makes you ready for public speaking with factual knowledge. Now I want to ask one question with Sahil. Do we have any class where we can compete ourselves with other students?
Of course, Divyansh, we have a class. That's a competition class. In the competition class, G sir randomly picked 3 students, lucky or unlucky, and then the journey of unpredictable questions with 0 time starts. It's a kind of reality show where only way to win is to show your real personality with a good facts so that you can get best score by G sir. And wait, there is a bonus also. The bonus is G sir's feedback. By this feedback, you can know your loopholes and work for betterment in your future competition class. Now, I would like to ask Namrita, is there any class we can test our vocabulary?
Yes, indeed, Mr. Sahil. Imagine stepping into a classroom that is not just a classroom, but an adventurous voyage across the vast sea of vocabulary. Here, students are not just learners, they are fearless sailors navigating through striking synonyms, battling stormy antonyms, and docking up at the mysterious islands of idioms. But be aware, if you're going to mix up effect and effect, you might just hit an iceberg. And with those real champions who conquers the test with full marks, they're awarded with a beautiful token of appreciation. No, not a ticket to Hogwarts, but close enough to it. This golden ticket of appreciation is the proof that one has mastered the seas of vocabulary while others secretly vows to steal from their dictionary. Now I want to ask Mr. Divyansh that is there any class where we can learn basic grammar or something?
Yes. Tuesday and Thursday is totally for basic class, like totally for basic students who want to learn grammatical rules like preposition, conjunction, tenses and many more. This class is very lucrative for students who want to make their roots of grammar very strong, and it is very much helpful for entering exam also like IELTS, TOEFL and many more. So with the help of verbs and with the help of different kind of words, we can beautify our language. And now I want to ask Mr. Said, is there any class where we can go outside 4 walls?
Guess what? Our next class is a workout class. No, it's not a gym. It's a walk and talk class. In this class, students from both branches, from Sangam Bihar and the Madangiri branch, unite and embark towards the epic journey from Madangiri to Chhabana forest. Once reached there, the real fun begins. We conduct many activities like role play, where time to fake it until you make it, and center of attraction, where you become the star, extempore, wordplay, storytelling, and many more. Not just that, the student who cracks it, they are not left empty-handed. They have been showered by our teacher with many of the rewards. For example, newspaper and a token of appreciation created by Gagan sir.
So now, moving on to the most captivating thing, that are the books published by the Shrine of English and written by a very prominent author, our comrade, Mr. Gagan sir. So now, these are the books. Now I want Mr. Sahil to talk about the benefits of these books.
So moving on towards the books, we have multiple books and each book has different importance. If I talk about the book of verbs, so you can learn the different verbs with their each form, and there are Hindi transactions also. So and we have idioms book. There are many idioms which beautifies our sentences. For example, Gagan sir has made 2-3 books which have animal related to idioms, related to family, friends, etc. Now I would like to ask Divyansh, do we have word Odyssey book?
Yes, we have word Odyssey book. In that book there are multiple kind of words with their antonym, synonym and with their Hindi meaning. And in that particular book we have illustration also, so that we can remind that word for a long time. So these words are very much helpful to learn English for a beginner as well as for advanced people. So now
we would like to end this with a big round of applause for the best place to learn English, none other than
the Shrine of English. एक बार जोरदार तालियां दी।
सोनी मैक्स जो दीवाना बना दे, द श्राइन ऑफ इंग्लिश जो अच्छी इंग्लिश सिखा दे। To join our online English classes for basic and advanced, call on these numbers